When searching for the perfect RV, we had several that we really liked. This is reject number 3. It's a Keystone Fuzion 430. During our search, we really thought this was the one, so much so that we actually put a deposit on it. And I'll be completely honest with you. When looking back at this video, I really still like this model. I like the open living room space, and it also would have given us one of our non-negotiables, a separate living room and kitchen area. And there's actually something in this model that our current model doesn't have. It's something that we thought we really needed, but now that we've lived in our RV for 9 months, we've realized it wasn't as important as we originally thought. Back in the toy hauler, this RV actually has a second full bathroom with a shower. When we were searching, we really thought we would need this, but it turns out that we really use the front bathroom more than the back bathroom that we have now. And I'm really not sure if a second shower would have gotten any use at all. But like the Cyclone that we showed for reject number 2, I really like the master bedroom better in this RV than I do in ours. We do prefer a north to south bed, but it seems like the east to west beds give you so much more walking room. But this also leads me to a negative. The washer and dryer hookups were in the master bedroom, and we weren't crazy about that either. So why did we get our deposit back and this became reject number 3? Once again, it came down to quality. We heard a lot of things about these Fuzions having a crack in one of the slides, and we just weren't willing to risk it. On the next video, we can talk about why we did choose a Grand Design.